Mint Mobile versus Verizon. Budget MVNO brilliance versus premium network powerhouse. Which one fits you best? Let's level them up across coverage, pricing, features, and value. Mint Mobile runs on T-Mobile's network, giving you fast 5G access to around 98% of Americans and solid 4G LTE coverage, 99%. Verizon, meanwhile, uses its own infrastructure and consistently absolutely wins top marks for reliability, especially in rural and remote areas. Mint feels speedy, especially in urban zones, and test data puts T-Mobile among the top networks. That said, Mint users may face deprioritization during congestion, though speeds often still beat Verizon's average. Mint Mobile offers incredible deals, $15 a month for 5 gigs, up to $30 for unlimited, when paying annually. Verizon's plans typically start much higher, around $65 a month for basic, with premium options reaching $90, including taxes and fees. Verizon includes extras like generous hotspot allowances, 30 to 200 gigs, streaming bundles, frequent perks, and in-store support. Mint keeps it simple with no frills service, free calls to Mexico and Canada, limited hotspot, 10 gigabytes, and straightforward management via app, no retail locations. Mint Mobile is your pick if you want unbeatable savings and can live with app-only support and potential deprioritization. Verizon is worth it if you need rock-solid coverage, featured pack plans, and the comfort of physical store access.